Welcome to How to Use Checklists in Sage Intacct. In this example, we're going to be using checklists for year-end assignments. On this dashboard, I have created a custom report to show the assignments in my year-end checklist, and I've also created a link to the assignments for year-end. Just a brief overview, in order to create a checklist, you're going to go to Company, Checklists. You're going to hit the Add button. I'm going to show you one that's already set up for year end. I'm going to hit Edit here. I'm going to give it a name, and you can create categories if you want as well. I'm going to then put my assignments in here just by typing in a description of the assignment. This assignment description is a longer description of the assignment name. I'm going to give it a start date, an anticipated due date, and who I'm going to assign it to. You can also do different statuses once you get going in the assignments as you progress through. You have % complete as well, your actual end date, and any attachments or comments you want to put on. Okay, so to create the checklist in the related assignments, you're going to come into the checklist here. Okay, once you've created the checklist, you're ready to start logging progress on the assignments. You can go right to the assignments on the company here, and I made a view just to give me my year-end assignments. And I can come in here and edit my actual end date, my % complete, or my status. Okay, so in the system, that is where they are located. However, on the dashboard, I have put a link to the assignments as well. So if you want to come in here, make your changes to your specific assignments, you just come in here and edit and make your progress changes. You can also filter it just for yourself by editing the view here and putting the filter on for just your assignee name. Now you can see I just have, if I was Betsy Rogers, I just have my specific assignments. Okay, so when you click that link, it should just pull up that, well, it normally would just pull up this view here and just have your assignments in there. Okay. Now here's a quick custom report I made to show the assignment name, the longer description, and who it is assigned to, the status, the start date, and the actual end date. You can also do such things as sending out automated reports to give you an update on where the tasks are at for year end. So if I wanted to schedule my year-end checklists to go out on a regular basis, like say every week, I could then create a schedule for that to go out to any of those assignees every week. So there are some different ways that you can help facilitate year-end. You can also do such things as smart events in order to send out reports or reminders in order to complete tasks. Okay, so the dashboard is one way. You can do some automated reports, and then you can also do some smart events. Another thing I want to point out is when you're in an assignment, if you want to ask a question to a coworker, you type the @ symbol and part of their name and ask a question, hit share. That person is going to get the message in their comment bubble up here, their collaborate messages. They're also going to get an email of your question. Okay, so just to help you stay on track for year-end checklist items, use the collaborate feature And also, like I mentioned, you can use the report scheduling to schedule automated reports to go out every week. Or on top of that, you could also do some smart events to automate some reports. For example, if someone is behind on their year-end checklist item. So just a couple of things with checklists and how to utilize them. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.